back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs. Today guys, we'll be making some Jamaican oxtail. Yes guys, so guys, I have a variety of seasoning here. So I have some cayenne, so I'll be using about a tablespoon of each seasoning. So I'm adding some cayenne pepper, some meat seasoning, chicken seasoning, I have garlic, salt and onion powder mixed in this, so I'm just gonna add that, some black pepper, and I'm adding about half teaspoon of the black pepper. And here I have some paprika, some all-purpose Maggi seasoning, and I'll be doing this in my instant pot guys, and then on the stove top. Okay, so I'm adding some Italian herb, and here I have my browning. I'm adding about a tablespoon. And here I have some pimento seeds. I'm just gonna beat these. So some crushed pimento seeds, and we're just gonna combine this together guys. Make sure that your ends are washed nicely. Looking lovely. Looking lovely guys. Okay, so now guys, we're just gonna get our instant pot ready. Okay guys, so we're just gonna put this in our instant pot right now. So we're adding 1 hot pepper and some garlic and some thyme. So, and then we're gonna put all of this in our instant pot. So we're just gonna pressure cook this guys for 25 minutes, and then we're going to finish off on our stove top. So I am going to be adding 4 cups of water. So guys, you just want to get some water in your bowl and then get out all of that nice seasoning. So I'm adding, actually guys, I'm adding 2 cups, let me see. So I'm adding 3 cups of water in here, and I'm just gonna cover this down now guys for 25 minutes, pressure cook, and then we're gonna finish off on our stove top. So let's get this covered. Okay, and then we're gonna do 25 on pressure cook. Nice. And we don't want to keep this warm, want to keep that off. So okay guys, so we're gonna come back after 25 minutes, see how our oxtail is doing, and finish off on our stove top. Okay guys, so it has been 25 minutes, and I'm gonna remove this now from my instant pot. I'm gonna put it in a regular pot on, and then we're gonna finish off this on the stove. Okay, okay guys, so now we're gonna finish off our oxtail on top of our stove, and of course I always put a little bit more seasoning in my pot afterwards. So this here guys, I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to add this. And in here, guys, I have some bell peppers, some green onion, piece of ginger, and a white onion. I just want to give this a little bit of stir, guys, and allow everything to combine together. We're gonna come back and check up on our pot after about 10 minutes and taste. If we need salt, then we will add salt at that point. Okay, so guys, I have a butter bean and I am going to be adding this later on, about like 5 or 3 minutes near to finishing up our oxtail, because this is already cooked and these are very soft. You don't want to add them too early. Okay guys, our oxtail is looking lovely. So now guys, we are going to add our some fresh bell peppers just to lighten up the pot. And also guys, we're going to be adding our butter bean at this point. So I'm using 1 can of butter bean and I'm adding the water as well. Guys, in the butter bean you always have some sticking at the bottom like that. So you just want to shake all of that goodness and richness. Get a spoon and scrape that out. I don't know, the goodness and the richness always leave in the bottom of the pans. So I always like scrape them out or wash them out. See all of that goodness. Yes. So now guys, just want to stir this up a little bit, not much. And just let everything come together nicely now. So there you go guys. So we're just gonna leave this and we're not gonna cover this at this point because our meat is soft and tender. This is so good guys. Look, falling off the bone. This is what they call fall off the bone. Okay, so we're just gonna leave our pot uncovered so we can reduce the gravy. I like my gravy nice and thick. So we're going to reduce the gravy, and then after that, about 10 minutes, we're going to come back, see how we're doing, taste our pot, ensure that everything is tasting amazing. Okay, thumbs up this video guys. If you have not yet, subscribe to my channel. Please hit that subscription button. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Okay, so it is looking lovely. The gravy is coming down. So at this point, in the name of garnish, I am going to add some shaved carrots. And the reason why I leave it until last is because these are shaved and I don't want them to cook out too much. Okay, if you're going to use diced carrots, you will have to put them in much earlier. But if you're going to shave these like the way I do it, I just like doing it this way, as I'm saying, in the name of garnish. You will want to put them in your pot last minute when you're about to take this from the stove, like the last 5 minutes or less, right? So I'm just going to allow this now to reduce. Okay. Okay guys, so this is looking lovely. Yes, the gravy is now nice and thickened. So what I'm talking about guys, look at that. Yes, this is what we were looking for. So now guys, we are going to plate up. Okay, so let's plate up this lovely oxtail. And over here guys, I have a nest of carrots, and this is how I'm going to be plating my oxtail. You don't have to do that guys, I just choose to do that. You can serve this with some rice and peas. If you're trying to cut down the carbs, then you can do like this. You can serve it with zucchini noodles, or you can serve it with some vegetables. Isn't that lovely, guys? Look at those oxtail. Oh, sweet and lovely they look. And I'm telling you guys, this is soft and nice, because remember we did this in our instant pot first. Get them nice and soft, and then we finish them off on our stove top. And the reason why, you might be wondering, the reason why I did that is because if you finish this in their instant pot, you won't get that nice thick gravy. You won't get this nice thick gravy that I have right here. So that is the reason why I do not cook my meat in full in my instant pot. No, instant pot is just to get your stuff soft and nice. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Another lovely Jamaican, authentic, delicious recipe. Let me know what you think about this.